Hey developers, three big companies hiring for the software engineer roles. First one is JustPay, who is hiring for the software development engineer backend role. And it is an intern, then it converts into full time. The job location is Bangalore. Talking about the batches who can apply. So in the form you can see 2025 and 26 batch is eligible, and the undergraduate degree is BA, BSc, BCom, BTech, BBA, BCA, BArch, and other degree. All can apply here. Talking about the roles and responsibilities, SDK, building UI UX experience that enable frictionless user payments and enable merchants to manage payments options seamlessly. Frictionless, one-click payment with native payment page, incorporating React markup in Presto proprietary UI framework. And in backend, you have to do UPI integration authentication, data science intelligence from more than 1 million transactions to enable automated and intelligent payment operations. Infrastructure, here are the rules, means what you will be doing. Apply if you are enthusiastic about architecting expensive framework using deep functional programming language, interested to solve reliability and performance problems which occur with large scale, passionate about developing low-code and no-code platform, written a framework to streamline and accelerate application development, empowered to incorporate self-service features in application development, enabling end user to efficiently modify and customize their application as needed. Excited about managing merchant big and small with zero issue. And other details you can read here, and I'll fill this form, apply this. Now move to the second hiring. Gallagher is hiring for the trainee software quality assurance engineer. The job location is Chandigarh, and talking about the batch who is eligible is 2024. Not less than 6.5 CGPA, and the BTech, MCA, MSc, BCA, BSc and CS can apply here. QA certification or training experience is a plus. Basic understanding of software development lifecycle, testing methodologies like Agile, knowledge of programming language or scripting language is a plus. Means JavaScript, C++, Java, Python, these kinds of language. If you have knowledge, you can apply. Attention to detail and proactive attitude, good communication and teamwork abilities. So apply here. Next, move to the software engineer role by the Nike. The job location is Bangalore. Talking about the qualification, 0 to 2 years of experience in software development and data engineering with experience in Python or Java, Databricks, Hive, Spark, EMR or SQL are eligible. 0 to 2 means 2023, 24 and 25 batch can also apply. Demonstrate strength in data modeling, ETL development and data streaming. Knowledge of data management fundamentals and data storage principles, and experience in microservice architecture, domain driven design, RESTful APIs, cloud knowledge, AWS, EC2, ECS, API Gateway, Lambda, Dynamo, DB and Kafka. CI/CD experience, Scrum, Agile principles, bachelor degree in computer science or information systems, in IT and CS, or a combination of relevant education experience and training or are also eligible. Here is the rules you can read here and apply for this company. Okay, let's end this video. All job links below in the description, and comment if you require any detail, and subscribe Skillio for more job updates.